Yo, good afternoon guys. Yeah. I don't have my GoPro. This time I am using this Samsung Galaxy S21. And I noticed that this one is also very stable. I am on a bike, but look at that. It is stable, huh? But of course, it is not comfortable and it is not safe to hold in the hand while on the bike. So I just switched up the steady features of this Samsung Galaxy S21 and we're going to zoom it to that boat. Yo, good evening guys. Yeah, it's already 15 minutes to 6 o'clock and I am hungry. Yeah, today is the day that I forgot my this camera. I forgot this in the house. That's why I was using the Samsung Galaxy S21 when I finish my duty. I am hungry and I'm going to prepare my dinner. It is going to be just soup, just this onion, this vegetable. It's carrot, celery, leek, and also this macaroni. Salt. I don't know how it's going to be taste, but I'm going to put with this. Yeah, this is the miso soup, and that's it. I will just let it boil, and then I will adjust the taste later. It's boiling now, and I'm going to crack some egg. Yeah, 2 pieces of egg. Actually, one is enough, because it's become a little thick now. Look how it is. And I'm going to eat it with rice. And I'm going to eat it tomorrow. Yo, one rainy afternoon to all of you. It's still a good afternoon. Yeah. You know, sometimes when the situation is like this, when it is raining or when it is very windy, I don't know how to say to the people along the way. I am still greeting them good afternoon. I don't know if I need to say happy rainy day. Yeah, so as you can see, it is wavy in the water. The water is wavy. Yeah, today I started at 6 and I finished at 2 o'clock. Yeah, so this morning when I left the house, it's still dark and I thought it was raining, so I was wearing this yeah, the same like what I'm wearing now. But when I get out, there is no rain. The roads are dry. Yeah, it was actually just the very windy this morning. I thought it was rain. Look at that. Yeah, you don't see the other side of the the other side. I actually can see a little bit. Very wavy. High tide, very wavy. A little looks dangerous. If we hold on together, I know our dreams will never die. Fight for you and I, and we will rest in the night. Because of this rain, this muddy way, where it's not going to be dry anytime soon. I still want to see the town center, that's why yeah, we are going in there. Look at that. Yeah, the water is very wavy. I can shadow that's by your side. the rain is getting heavy and heavier. I'm not sure if my shoes is waterproof. Yeah, this is the new one. Oh, you're sad and you need. I will be the sun in the sky. I will let you wait for for you I live. For you I die. We don't have yeah, and we stopped here for a while because I am feeling the water inside my shoes, so it's not really waterproof. I forgot to take off my this jacket outside. Okay, we take it out here in the laundry area. My feet is actually dry. Yeah, so the water didn't get inside the shoes. And also I am dry. You see? Oh, this one. A little wet here. Okay, I don't know what I am going to eat. Yeah. Not rice because this one is spoiled already. Ah, this muffin. I have this muffin. I bought it in the grocery yesterday, but I didn't bring the camera. That's why I didn't have a video of that. 30 seconds. I don't know how to carry this with the with camera. Oh, dangerous, huh? Yo, good morning, guys. It is raining outside. It is already 5. Yeah, that's 5:35. Yeah, raining outside. My bike is actually wet. Yeah, it's okay. Yo, good afternoon, guys. We are going home now. Today I started at 6 o'clock in the morning. It was there was a heavy rain this morning and dark. Yeah, actually my shoes was a little bit wet when I was working. Yeah, because the rain was really heavy. Yeah, now it's dry. Yeah, and look at that. You can see the sky is blue with some clouds. Nice weather now. Even before, during my break time, yeah, the clouds, the sky is darker. Just now I feel that, yeah, that the seat also of this bike is wet. I want you to show me. I wanna feel the love is travel so far. Change this lonely life. I wanna know what love is. I want you to show me. It is raining again. Yeah, it's been this morning it was like that, and then when I got home it was a little sunny. The time now is 4:40. I closed it already because in a few minutes it is going to be dark. Yeah, I also closed the door, the window, and now I'm preparing my meal. Right ahead. Yo, good morning, guys. Yeah, it is now almost 9 o'clock, and we are actually going to Salamander Bay Shopping Square, but I'm not going to bring the camera. Also, I'm not going to bring my backpack. I will be just having this It looks big. I saw in the camera it's big. Yeah, we're going to Salamander Bay Shopping Square to browse for some kind of a desk, table. Yeah, to put here in the house. Yeah, we are now here in the Salamander Bay Shopping Square. Yeah, I thought that it is not going here because the bus goes straight to the school. And then I said, oh, maybe they will just drop the kids, the students, and we'll be back here in Salamander Bay. Yesterday, I was actually browsing for a computer table, the adjustable one, the one that you can work standing. Yeah, and they are expensive, about $500 more, 300, the cheapest. But yeah, some of those cheap are just the base, no flat surface yet, no table. When I get to Aldi, I found this one. It's $199. I am now actually waiting for Inigo. My original plan is just to take a taxi and bring it to my apartment, but yeah, while I was in Kmart, Inigo called and yeah, he learned that I am here. Okay, we just put the table on the car of Inigo. And do you know that to get this trolley, I need to put $2, and there is the $2 in there. And I'm going to push it back to the Aldi so that I'll be able to get it back. And we are now here in front of Woolworth here in Nelson Bay. And yeah, we are planning to eat in this Thai restaurant. And Inigo, lip it by himself. We want to help you make ideas more. Oh, this massage is effective.
Ito yung adjust na ito.
And there is this remote.
Yeah.
Feels good. I also bought this one. This is a floor lamp from Kmart. And that is the chair. No, the standing office desk. Okay, we are now here. Very busy. So basically I was fixing my new lampshade. And then Rafael comes. And we went to one apartment for rent. We speak to the owner. Yeah. For about 20 minutes. And that's why I am now running. Because I have an appointment in an accountant. Yeah, now we are here. And this is the office of the police. Yeah, just finished the accountant. And now we're going to there is like a second-hand store on that side, Benis. We're going there. Oh, there is new clinic, dentist. The other one is actually looks like a restaurant. We are now here in the grocery. I'm taking this laundry soap. This $5.50. And I'm also going to take a dishwashing liquid. And I'm going to take this one. Floor surface? No, not dishwashing. Floor cleaner. This one. This just $2.69. And we are going home now. It's the big television of DB Sumud. This new or from the shop? This the light.